Hello guys, welcome to my series tutorial to learn bot framework using Python language. In this tutorial, we are going to focus on thumbline card. Last tutorial we seen about hero card. Hero card take huge partition of area, so the image is 16:1 ratio. This thumbline card is a single partition, that means 1.1 ratio it will take. If you see your company ID card, it will come small image and your name and your department or office name, office address, something like that, it will display here. So this card like the same way. Let's start implement how to implement this thumbline card in our application. So I'll move on to Visual Studio Code. I will start writing some sample code over there. So guys, I just copy paste the old code to previous code to here and rename the folders and the required parameters like class names and the packages and everything. My focus here is write the thumbline card. So let's start that one. All the card should come from the bot builder.schema package. So thumbline card also same. Just import the thumbline card class and card equal to thumbline card. Next, images. This property contain the array of images. For our sample, I just define only the single image to implement this feature. Okay, so images also should come from card image class. So card image, I define it. Card image equal to URI, sorry, URL, the path. I already used one path, image path. I just copy and replace it. So next is title of this card. So title I'll specify. I just give bot builder sample card and subtitle thumbnail card is one of the card type in bot framework. Sorry guys, I do small changes. Instead of subtitle, I make it text description of this card. Text and subtitle I change to running, sorry, SDK version 4.9. That's it. Our card is ready. So we have to return it. Return card factory dot thumbline card. That's it. Save. Make sure there is no compilation error. Yes, seems to be okay. Now I started the main application. It started. Open the emulator and yeah, emulator connected. I just send hi message. Oops, card is displaying. This is a thumbline card. So this area is a image, thumbline image 1.1 ratio, and this is a head, a title. Here you see the title we specified bot builder sample card. So this one and subtitle here and the description of this card. And next one is going to do small changes. I just stop the application. This part, okay. Any other way we can import the image or we can give the path of the image. Yes, it's possible. So I just comment this code. I add one more thumbline URL is there. Thumbline URL. This class also you can use it. You can use and show the images. So just images and maybe I'll give write it thumbline URL. Stop it. I just copy paste the same URL. here, and this also it's array, so we have to define array. Fine. Make sure any error, no error. Start the application again. Go back to the Illuminator. Just restart. Hi. Here you can see the same card is displaying. Using different class, we are displaying the images. So I used thumbline URL. So both way you can use it. Hope you understand the thumbline card. Next tutorial we'll see about receipt card. Yeah, thanks to all. Bye.